It's for somebody special. It's for somebody special. Yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't wait for me, girl.
Okay, so this was a snippet of video on the Ultimate Jenga fan party game. If you haven't watched that video, you might want to check it out. Even though it's a part 1 and 2, you can watch it as a standalone. It doesn't really matter which one you watch first, so be sure to check that video out. At this point, we had the first part of our fun, and we definitely had to bring the fun home. It was all done and dusted, and we made our way back home to carry on.
Be my weakness, man, no be boss. See Oluwa don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost ride. If they say I dey listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah. Cause now you dey cross my mind.
Watch and learn, yeah?
If you're wondering what's actually going on here, somebody knocked the Jenga down, and it was so quick to the point that we actually missed who it was. So everyone kept going, it wasn't me, and before we knew it, literally everyone was disappearing from the table.
Beautiful. Right, let's see who's going to take account for this one.
Everybody's disappeared from that table. Left with 2.
Okie dokie, so the game is about to start. We're all gearing up for it and just kind of working out who's going to kickstart first. And Josh kickstarts the game smoothly. You're about to meet one of my in-laws, Uncle Jimmy. We call him the Godfather or Daddy Hooper. He is my husband's uncle. And now it's Granddad's turn. Granddad Hooper is playing now. Look how all the kids are so excited and looking on.
Daddy Hooper, I think you may want to move your hands a little bit.
Before you knock it over.
I'm very far away from it. My legs are
Right, are you ready for the drama?
Maybe it's a good thing because it's going to make us leave, considering it's nearly 5 a.m.
Okay, what song do you want?
We did a chicken song for you then, Elise.
Right, clearly you saw what happened because I made you watch it twice. Elizabeth, my niece, collapsed the Jenga accidentally. Oh my god, the worst thing you ever want to experience in a Jenga game. But let's just say that history has repeated itself. Yeah, because this is exactly what happened to Mr. A. It better not be a family thing. It's one of the worst things that could ever happen to anyone. I said it in my first video and I'm going to say it again. Anytime you get to play Jenga, just watch your distance, watch your hands, like just watch yourself. because collapsing it accidentally, certainly not what you want. So here we go. That is definitely no excuse, and she is going to dance. But the funny thing is, these kids actually think this thing is for fun. Look at them. Because the two cousins have joined in helping her with the dance. And by the way, they're dancing to this song called Chicken Wings. Chicken Wings, Chicken Wings. And, for copyright reasons, I couldn't put it on there. But the way they're having fun, that's not what it's meant to be. It's a punishment, guys. Please get this for once. Oh, dear. Another thing I absolutely love about Jenga is the character building skills and the emotions that come out when people are playing it. It's phenomenal. The critical thinking, the adaptability, the teamwork, the support, the self-awareness, the self-control, you name it really. The big emotions, the emotions of I've got to be extremely careful here, or oh my god, a bit of anxiety, but then feeling very much in control and being resilient and kind of pushing for it. It really is amazing. Just watch the way she expresses herself and the emotions she exhibits behind this Jenga piece. The way she maintains her poise even when this Jenga piece looks like it's literally about to fold even when somebody breathes. You would have noticed that when she got off, there was a lot of tension mounting up, and that is because on her way out, she nearly knocked the Jenga down. I don't think this video is really doing it justice in terms of how the Jenga looks. Maybe it's because of the color of the background blending into it, but honestly, at this point, this Jenga looked like it was just too dangerous to even get close. Like, that attempt to move a brick itself was dangerous.
You can easily wiggle that out slowly from this side.
I haven't seen you wiggling.
Well, I'm capturing evidence, honey. Very slowly, right? Or push it from the other side.
You have to remember.
The midwife has delivered the baby.
Granddad's first lady has nailed it, and now it's Jasmine's turn.
Yeah, right? The middle one is not bad.
That's kind of full.
No, yeah, it's okay now. Take it out. Eh? Eh?
Jenga Tower of Doom.
It's sure.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
My pants.
No, it will come. Just be very patient and very careful. Papi, get down.
But not two hands though.
Rama. Get down. It's your turn.
This time, Josh. I want your knees far away from it.
Is this Stella's turn? Well, I can't help you in this case.
Whew. After a nerve-wracking session, Jazzy has pulled it off. And so is Big Sister Nana's turn.
Yes, I was going to...
These kids were really cheering for the auntie, you know. But anyway, are you actually ready for this drama? Just watch and see.
No, it's fine. It's going to be fine.
Right, so at this point what actually happens is if somebody is able to pull out a Jenga and the Jenga appears so wobbly, like it looks like it's about to collapse, but they're successful in pulling it out, then you need to start crying, and that's what's happening.
Toothless Jenga. Literally take your time. Are you sure you want to pull that one? Okay.
One hand.
Take your time. Very slowly.
So there you have it, an amazing night of Jenga, and I mean the whole night. We played on New Year's Day after the watch night all the way until 6 a.m. at the Hoopers. Then we had breakfast in the morning and left in our onesies to finally crash at home. Now, if that doesn't tell you how engaging, exciting and satisfying this game is, man, I don't know what will. I have not only suggested an awesome game, but I have shown you just how much fun it is. So what are you waiting for? Grab your own Jenga set. I'm going to put a link in the description, one that I found from Amazon. It is very affordable as well. Give it a go and thank me later.
Wow.